Creamy.
Right.
Mr. Floorman?
Mr. Floorman.
Yeah. George Floorman?
George Foreman.
Yeah. What's going on down here? Putting in some supports for the floor.
Because we're going to raise it a little bit. It's only about 40 mil, but still going to raise it a little bit.
They give us a flat four all the way across.
Come on.
It's entertaining, isn't it?
Starting off with the...
A pair of scissors right here.
Yeah.
Down there.
Oh, it's fucking mangled now, so... Oh yeah, scissors. Oh, fucking shit. You funny can't do that. That's...
It's the same shit.
What is? Colour.
It doesn't look great, does it? It'd be great. Stanley knife.
A nice big blob.
Oh, mate.
How did I wipe it with my hand? Stick.
Tradie's probably cringing right now, probably saying, why don't you just put it on the wood and then put the fucking wood down?
That's what I was going to do, but...
Probably make more sense.
Fuck man, that shit dries so fast.
I don't even know if it's in date.
Yeah, it's working.
So use by date on it.
Who gives a fuck what the
Expiry
expiry date is?
It's right there.
Can't read that. That's actually an idea. I'm gonna go.
Put the wood across here. On an angle. Like that.
Almost got my clothes on.
In his work clothes. On his lunch break. Come home and fucking play on the boat.
Mate, priorities done right. That's what that is.
We picked the colour for the car. We'll end up all that way on. One colour. Boy, idea for the boat.
What?
GoPro mounts.
Yeah, I will. Is it even a question?
Alright, so it's night time. We've put a tarp over the boat today. What we've realised is it's rained and the tarp has filled up with water. So we're going to get the, I can't really see at the moment, hang on. The old torch. Oh shit, my bad. So we're going to get the old bilge pump out and pump it out. It's not that much. About 20 litres or something in there. So we'll get the bilge pump out, we'll test out the second bilge pump, and that way we know that works. And we don't have to bail it with a bucket. Seb's got his Uber.
Oh, a chicken palmy.
What's he got?
Oh, chicken palmy.
Oh, and a dessert. Oh, salad.
I'm a little sketched out because it's wet.
Tell them what you're doing it with.
This is just a 4-cell LiPo.
Yep.
There's 12 volt. You go.
Well, now that's wet, you can't fucking put it in the battery. Just dry it and jumper.
That's what I said, I would all sketched out.
As you can see, it's dark.
I'll show you. Just quickly. Got black and black. And you just hold it. This is what not to do, kids.
Yeah, don't do this at home. This is probably the worst way of doing it. You could probably temporarily put a plug on the end of the bilge pump. Would probably be the most safest way of doing it. Instead of starting a lipo fire and dropping it in your crutch.
I'm going to get a Dean's plug. All you RC enthusiasts, you know what I mean. But I'll show you anyway. This is a Dean's plug. Little red fucking triangle thing. And if you come into my other hobby,
What other hobby? I don't see any other hobbies around here.
this is my red room of death. It's just parts everywhere, parts everywhere, parts everywhere, parts everywhere, batteries everywhere.
Fucking, hey, there's a lipo bag I give you to use. You don't even put batteries in it.
Fucking oh, that's just fucking everything I've ever bought.
That's all
Receipts and shit everywhere.
receipts and user manuals.
Let me see. I got brushless motors, I got brush motors, I got fucking shit everywhere. I got servos.
Do you have a Dean's plug?
Confirmed. And it's a female. Fucking
Male.
male.
Yeah. Did you just assume it's gender?
This is how I remember male and female. It's got a dick, it's got a vagina.
That's
The
exactly
dick
how,
goes in the vagina.
that's exactly what the reference is.
Yes. For all you people that don't know, I'll show you. If you ever seen any of these, they're great. I'll show you. Strip of
They're
wire.
just the most basic things, but they work so fucking well.
They're just like
Spring-loaded
you
strips.
literally just put it on, and that's it.
And for like bigger wires, you just,
And if the bigger,
just
you just
crimp it around a couple of times and
do
then
this
just
a couple
flick
times
it
and
off.
just fucking
Boom.
done.
Wait, are you gonna patch wire a Dean's plug to it?
I'm not gonna solder it.
No, I thought you had a fucking fresh Dean's plug that you could.
I'm just gonna do the good old twistaroo shrink wrap, cut it off after.
Bit of tape around it. Shrink, no, it's not shrink around it, just tape it. That way you just undo it. But, well, nearly lost the torch. Right, we'll cut back to you when the plugs are on there. So for now, we've got the plug done.
A plug.
So now you'll be able to stop, don't put that in yet. Plug it in, grab the thing, make sure it's out of the way, and then just lower it in while you got hold of both ends. You know what I mean? Because how are you going to plug the battery in and hold that at the same time? What's all up here? The problem with this is if we let this go and it rains again tonight, it's going to end up ripping the shit out of the top. There we go. Lower it. There you go. It's because the pump's on its side, it's not sitting upright.
Easy way of doing it, look.
Look at that water, man. Look at that. We got two of these fuckers, man. It could be raining like 10 litres a fucking second. And we'd be able to pump it out. What are they? 1,200 gallons a minute?
800.
800 gallons a minute. If I do that, that's better off. It's not in your eyes that way. What's that battery near the water?
They've got the rubber casing, so
No, but the connections don't. You know what I mean? Like your patch lead. Is it a patch lead? What do they call them? The fucking balance lead. It's got no rubber on it.
Oh,
it's wide open.
yeah, balance lead.
Pump needs to go that way. It's meant to be blue side down, which is hard on the angle you got it. Emergency battery in the boat, just a spare lipo. That'll do it, man. Just lift the tarp up now. Yoink. Here we go.
That took all of what? I can't see that.
I don't know, probably 45 seconds.
It's been 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Oh, there you go, about 2 minutes. Went shopping.
Gaff.
They call me Gav. My name's Jay. What else you got in that lucky box of tricks?
16 watts on.
16 rod stand.
This heavy cutter thing.
Marine battery. Don't put it on cement, man.
Why?
Fucks them.
What doesn't?
It does.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's nothing to do with Earth's magnetic field, drains them. I'm being legit. Fucks batteries leaving them on cement. Well, that's what I was told anyway. Come on, what's in the bag, mate?
Alright.
Oh, there she is. Still got a bit to do on her. Still a little bit of painting and fiberglassing to do.
Oh, it's these.
Sneeze. Sneeze for the viewers. What do we got there? Oh, the other bilge pump hose.
We've got another one to put on the other side.
Yeah, twin pumps. This is floor. Still haven't finished the floor yet, but should get there.
Jay-Z got a t-shirt.
Jesse. My fat ass got a shirt.
Look at this cool tape. Look. You can see it. So you pull it out. For example, 32 King George whiting,
It's upside down, but yeah.
rainbow trout, silver trevally, lobster, giant crab, bologna. What else we got?
How much is the bologna? You should know, you talk a lot of it.
You're funny, cunt, you are. Oh, look at this.
Oh, we got some knot guides, some fish species. That's pretty cool. How long does the tape measure go out? Say on the packet here, on the front.
I think it's about 8 metres.
8 metres? There's no fish that are 8 metres long. Well, there is, but we get around to painting the rest of that one day. Done the back half. That's alright.
I don't know what to say.
Because it's not a tape measure, it's a fish measure. Fishy just got jokes on it.
25 of them. From Cato. Some 2.0 bait holders. And we've got some 8.0 circles. For the big fuckers.
What else is in there?
Rip their mouth to fucking shit.
It's empty. We never actually said to you what we're doing in the next video, so what we're going to do is we've got a couple of little tricks. We're going to show you a pretty cool knot, which is a pretty common knot, but a lot of people don't know how to tie it in your fishing line. It's called the FG knot. If you want to know how to do one of them, stay tuned for that. We're also going to show you how to make your own balloon clips for when you want to go balloon fishing, and you need a clip to automatically pull off the line when a fish strikes it, so that you don't have to go buying clips. We're going to show you how to do that. Pretty easy, and it's with a common household item. And what else have we got? I can't remember, but yes, Seb's got a few ideas, so there's a few things. And we'll get those to you on one of the next videos. Cheers.